Hi viewers, welcome to ChemEasy. In this video, let us see the synthesis, reactions and medicinal uses of one of the important sulfur atom containing 5-membered heterocyclic compound, that is thiophene. Before watching this video, subscribe ChemEasy to learn chemistry easily. First, let us see some method of synthesis of thiophene. In first method, thiophene can be synthesized by passing a mixture of acetylene and hydrogen sulfide through a tube containing aluminum oxide at 400 degrees Celsius. You can see here, this is one acetylene molecule, this is another one acetylene molecule with hydrogen sulfide. This mixture passed through a tube containing aluminum oxide at 400 degrees Celsius produces thiophene. In another method, thiophene can be prepared by the distillation of sodium succinate with phosphorus pentasulfide. Thiophene can also be prepared by direct reaction between sulfur and N-butane in vapor phase at 65 degrees Celsius. Reaction shown here, N-butane with sulfur direct reaction takes place at 65 degrees Celsius produces thiophene. In last method, we can prepare thiophene from the furan derivative. It means from the furoic acid, the furan containing carboxyl group at second position. From this, we can prepare thiophene by distillation with barium sulfide. Here let us see characteristic reactions of thiophene one by one. First one is electrophilic substitution reactions of thiophene. Thiophene is more easily substituted than benzene but less vigorously than furan and pyrrole. Note down the numbering for thiophene structure. Position 1 is for the atom sulfur. It means where the heteroatom is present gets number 1. Second position, third, fourth and fifth. Position 2 and 5 are alpha positions and position 3 and 4 are beta positions. The electrophilic substitution takes place usually at position 2 and 5. Whenever these two positions are filled, then the substitution takes place at position 3 and 4. Nitration of thiophene can be achieved by the solution of nitric acid in acetic anhydride. Thiophene with nitric acid in acetic anhydride undergoes electrophilic substitution at position 2 and gives 2-nitrothiophene. Thiophene can be sulfonated with concentrated sulfuric acid or sulfur trioxide in pyridine. The thiophene either using concentrated sulfuric acid, otherwise with a mixture of sulfur trioxide in pyridine sulfonated at second position and gives thiophene 2-sulfonic acid. Under halogenation of thiophene, chlorination of thiophene can be done by using sulfuryl chloride at minus 30 degrees Celsius. You can see the reaction here, thiophene chlorinated with sulfuryl chloride at minus 30 degrees Celsius. The second position is halogenated and gives 2-chlorothiophene. In case of bromination, when thiophene treated with N-bromosuccinimide gives monobromothiophen, it means 2-bromothiophene. Whenever thiophene brominated using bromine in benzene, this can produce 2,5-dibromothiophene. Here dihalogenation takes place. Thiophene is iodinated with iodine in mercuric oxide and gives 2-iodothiophene. These three reactions are halogenation reactions of thiophene. Next one is acetylation. Thiophene can be acetylated using a mixture of acetic anhydride in the presence of phosphoric acid or using acetyl chloride in the presence of stannic chloride. This acetylation reaction produces 2-acetylthiophene. Using formaldehyde and hydrogen chloride, thiophene can be chloromethylated and gives 2-chloromethylthiophene. So thiophene with formaldehyde and hydrogen chloride undergoes chloromethylation. The second position of thiophene is chloromethylated. Next one is formylation reaction. Thiophene can be formilated by Willsmeyer reaction using dimethyl formamide and phosphorus oxychloride. This Willsmeyer reaction produces thiophene 2-carboxaldehyde. Next one is mercuration reaction. This is the last reaction under electrophilic substitution reactions of thiophene. Thiophene can be mercurated with mercury chloride in the presence of sodium acetate, which produces thiophene 2-mercury chloride. You can see in this reaction thiophene mercurated with mercury chloride in the presence of sodium acetate, and the second position reaction takes place and produces thiophene 2-mercury chloride. Thiophene, when reacts with N-alkyl lithium, produces 2-lithium derivative. This 2-lithium derivative can undergo carboxylation and alkylation. Thiophene with N-alkyl lithium, here N-butyl lithium is taken as an example. This on reaction produces 2-lithiotthiophene. This 2-lithium derivative on carboxylation produces thiophene 2-carboxylic acid. That is the second position of thiophene is carboxylated. In another one way, this 2-lithium derivative on alkylation with alkyl halide, the second position of thiophene is alkylated and gives 2-alkylthiophene. Next, coming to the reduction reactions of thiophene. Thiophene, when reduced with sodium in liquid ammonia, gives a mixture of two different dihydro derivatives of thiophene. It means thiophene with sodium in liquid ammonia undergoes reduction and gives a mixture of 2,3 dihydrothiophene and 2,5 dihydrothiophene. When thiophene is catalytically reduced in the presence of large excess of catalyst, reduces thiophene to tetrahydrothiophene. So here thiophene on catalytic reduction in presence of palladium as a catalyst produces tetrahydrothiophene, which is called as thiophane. Here the large excess amount of catalyst is taken because the sulfur which is present in thiophene poisons the catalyst. If the thiophene is catalytically reduced with Raney nickel, which removes the sulfur from the thiophene ring and forms N-butane as the main product. This reaction is called as desulfurization reaction of thiophene, because in this reaction the sulfur atom from the thiophene molecule is removed and produces N-butane, which is open chain compound, and the sulfur is removed as nickel sulfide. Next, oxidation reaction. Whenever the tetrahydrothiophene is oxidized, produces tetramethylene sulfone. So thiophene, that is tetrahydrothiophene, on oxidation produces sulfolane, which is tetramethylene sulfone. There are many medicinal compounds which consists of thiophene in its structure. Let us see some examples along with its uses. Orticaine, which is a medicinal compound, contains thiophene molecule in its structure. Orticaine is a local anesthetic used for inducing local infiltrative or conductive anesthesia in both simple and complex dental procedures. This is a structure of teinelic acid which consists of thiophene molecule here. This teinelic acid is a loop diuretic drug with uric acid lowering action. Next one is pyrantel, which is one of the important medicinal compound containing thiophene molecule in its structure. This pyrantel is an anti-worm medication which is used to treat roundworm, hookworm, pinworm and other worm infections. You can see the thiophene molecule in the structure of pyrantel here. This is the structure of tepepidine, which consists of two thiophene nucleus in its structure. This drug can improve attention deficit hyperactivity disorder symptoms by modulating monoaminergic neurotransmission through the inhibition of G protein coupled inwardly rectifying potassium channels. And the last example is teoconazole, which is an antifungal medication used to treat infections caused by a fungus or yeast. This is the structure of teoconazole, in which you can see the thiophene nucleus here.